If you look closely, the finishes are really very good. When we got this machine, the FORZA ONE, the processes, the time required dropped a lot.
There was a significant change in saving both time and money.
And in cost too. Yes, exactly.
I'm in Aguascalientes, Mexico, to visit Innovations Tecnológicas Industriales ARGOSS, a company that has improved its production processes thanks to acquiring the FORZA ONE. We're at ARGOSS with one of its representatives, Erick Luna.
My name is Erick Luna. I'm in charge of the sales department and also work in mechanical design. Well, I would describe ARGOSS as a technologically strong company since we've improved many processes in the automotive industry.
Erick, tell us a little about the history of ARGOSS. What's the story behind all of this?
Yes, of course. It started as a dream, like any other project. We started out as a group of colleagues who worked at the same place. Some of us were programmers, others were designers. We decided to start our own venture and do something on our own because we knew the impact we had in the area we worked in, both in programming and mechanical design, as well as in sales. We already knew quite a few people, so we decided to do something on our own. And we believe it has worked out really, really well since we've grown both as individuals and as a company. The technology we use is very good compared to that of our competitors.
Perfect, Erick. And speaking of that, tell me a little about how your life improved when, or how did your life change when you became entrepreneurs, then business owners, and with these daily challenges you face with ARGOSS?
Yes, of course. Well, the challenges we deal with every day are, well, the sales side with our clients, and also dealing with our suppliers. We really have to manage all of that, but we do our best every day to keep going and deliver the best we can, both in terms of quality and delivery times. We make an effort to always meet our clients' needs, because for us, the greatest satisfaction is when the client recognizes the good work we do.
Perfect. You can really see how much you value taking good care of your clients.
That's right.
And speaking of production processes, tell me a little about how your processes improved when you started using laser cutting, specifically with the FORZA ONE.
Okay. Before we got our FORZA ONE, we used to outsource our processes. We would buy the material ourselves, send it out, and they would do the manufacturing for us. When we decided to get the FORZA ONE, it really changed things for us, both in terms of time and quality. Because before, when we didn't use the FORZA ONE, we had to outsource. We had to send things out for wire cutting and a lot of other processes.
So, how long was a process before the FORZA ONE? A product, on average?
A process, on average, a single part, which would then go to welding, would take us about 1 to 2 hours to make. When we acquired this machine, the FORZA ONE, the process times dropped significantly because now making a part with this machine would take us, I don't know, 5-10 minutes at most. So both in terms of time and quality, it was much better than before when we did it ourselves or when an outside supplier did it.
In other words, there was a significant change in saving both time and money as well.
And in cost too, yeah? Exactly. The reduction in cost is also a really great impact, and the FORZA ONE really brings those costs down, because making a part on a conventional machine is very expensive. And in this case, with the FORZA ONE, the processes in terms of time, cost, and quality are much better.
Perfect, Erick. Now tell us a little about how your first contact with FORZA Laser was. How did you get to know the company that sold you your FORZA ONE?
We got in touch. We found out about you through social media. And from there we decided to learn a little more about you by sending emails, having video calls, and you started giving us extra information about what we wanted to purchase, which was the FORZA ONE. You gave us technical sheets, promotional videos of everything you do, and honestly, it's very convincing on your part because you promote your products really well and, in reality, you do a great job.
Perfect, Erick. And to make the decision, honestly, you told me that the price. Was it just the price, or was there something else that helped you decide to buy the FORZA ONE?
Yes. When we were researching which machine we could get, we took some time to compare the different options available. One of the key points that worked for us was the price. as it was a major factor in our decision. Also, the marketing aspect, how you promoted yourselves, the videos showing the machine actually cutting pieces. That was one of the things that pushed us to go ahead and purchase this machine.
Perfect, Erick. Tell me a little about the actual work with the FORZA ONE. What materials do you cut? What thicknesses? Specifically, what are the pieces like that you produce daily with the FORZA ONE?
Yes, regarding the pieces. Basically, every day we're cutting everything from black steel sheets to stainless steel sheets, from gauges 18, 16, 14, 10, and even carbon steel plates of 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and we've even cut up to 5/8.
And are the results perfect? Do you do post-processing after?
Yes, well, the part we mostly use, the part of the cutter, is for processes that go to welding, that go to bending. The quality of the finishes at the moment of cutting is really very good, honestly. With stainless steel, I mean, it's even better. I mean, honestly, it's very fast and the quality is really good.
Perfect. Erick, tell us a bit about the level of detail and finish that the FORZA ONE achieves with the parts you work on.
Sure, of course. These are some of the pieces we've cut, out of many we've done, obviously. This is a piece of stainless steel. If you look, the finishes are about 5 millimeters. They're actually really good. This is a sheet of 10 gauge carbon steel. If you notice the finishes, it hardly leaves any scratches at all.
And how do you set the parameters for this? How do you do it? Did they leave the parameters ready for you? Did they set everything up when they installed the machine?
Yes, absolutely. The parameter setup, the staff from FORZA came here and set up the machine for us. They configured the parameters. We did tests to find the ideal speed for cutting any, the thickness of the sheet or the plate. And honestly, the way they set it up, it turned out really well.
It's all done.
Yes, the quality is really good.
Erick, to wrap things up a bit, tell us about your experience with the machine installation and with the FORZA Laser staff who came to, who also trained you.
Yes, the staff from FORZA, they're very friendly, very professional as well from them. The people who came here, honestly, their work is really good. They came, installed the machine, handled all the electrical work, even set up the power outlets. Everything was done really well. They taught us here, gave us training on how to use the machine, the parameter settings, and left us with some tests to do ourselves so we could get familiar with the FORZA. And honestly, when it comes to support, we've had a few instances where we forgot some of the things they taught us.
We called them. They gave support.
Exactly, yes, we call them, and honestly, the response we've gotten from FORZA has been really good, because within minutes they're already answering us and giving us a solution.
Erick, just a little bit. To wrap up, tell us about your dreams. What is ARGOSS' vision for the future? How do you see ARGOSS in the future?
Yes, honestly, we're doing really well. I see it as a very solid, very strong company. Our vision is to keep growing, both as a company and as individuals, and maybe also to keep acquiring new machines to improve our processes and respond better to the challenges we face every day, and to have the best quality among our competitors and throughout the entire automotive industry.
Perfect, Erick. And just to wrap up, I'd like you to give a message to everyone who still hasn't decided whether to buy a laser cutting machine, especially a FORZA laser cutting machine. What would you say to those people about how the company changed after bringing in this machine?
Yes, I would tell them to go for it. It's 100% recommended. Our processes, in terms of time and cost, have improved a lot. The costs have gone down significantly. The quality is very good. The machine really works very well. Pretty much all the promotional videos where these types of machines appear are honestly 100% true, because it has really helped us a lot with our current processes. And I would 100% recommend the machine.
All right, Erick, thank you very much. That's all for today here in Aguascalientes, Mexico, with Erick Luna, one of the representatives from ARGOSS, who has started using a new laser cutting machine to improve their processes. See you later.
Bye.